This is a lesson of the classification of animals into 4 classes: reptiles, fish, mammal, and birds. I will show you 12 photos of animals, read some information about the animal, and then have you decide which class it belongs to. This lesson will build upon the information we have been studying to meet our 4th grade CSOs, which include 4.2.1, describe the different characteristics of plants and animals which help them to survive in different niches and environments. 4.2.3, identify and classify variations and structures of living things, including their systems, and explain their functions, such as skeletons, teeth, plants, needles, or leaves. And 4.2.5, give examples of how plants and animals closely resemble their parents, and that some characteristics are inherited from the parents and others result from interaction with the environment. We will now begin our photos, and I will let you decide the classes for the animals. Remember, the classes are reptiles, fish, mammal, and animals, and birds. I can change colors to camouflage into the bushes where I live. My skin has scales. I am very colorful, lay eggs, and enjoy company. I can grow up to 13 feet high at the shoulder. I live in Africa in a herd of up to 50 animals. I am made up of 95% water and have no heart or blood or even a brain. I do have eyes that see dark and light. I purr when I'm happy and meow when I talk. I live in many people's homes. I have scales and lie in wait for animals that come to drink in rivers and dams. I have many razor-sharp teeth that I use to tear apart my prey. I can only be found in salt water. I can catch bats in flight and fly at night. I make my nest in a hole in a tree. I come in many colors and love the water. I can jump far and high. I like to climb trees and live in a family group. I love to eat fruits, nuts, seeds, and bird eggs. I like to live in buildings and mountains. I often steal nests, but when I make my own, it is made of mud and twigs. I am smart and learn to do many things. I put on shows for people to watch. I love to be with my friends and talk to them, just like you. Well, I hope you had fun classifying these animals into reptiles, fish, mammals, and birds.